Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2016 Cadillac CTS Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8291XX. Only 13,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean Auto Tech history report. Black Raven in color. To be Cadillac certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. CTS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, with advanced safety features like forward collision warning, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, seats 5 with a leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel is heated, great for cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, and that's also where you set the forward collision alert. Large Q touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, radio apps. Navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, along with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with the USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, the CTS has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 335 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.